Welcome, beautiful blank face. Welcome back to the week of Stray. So this is, we just got out of the sewers and lost our super amazing weapon against the Zerks. So now we get to go meet, Beelzebub. I forgot his name, I'm sorry. Okay, good thing I paused it right there so we can get the cutscene. Cool. This machine, the scientist I assist used one of these. Right. He was sick. He lost hope. He walked into the machine. It wasn't with him. But I wasn't with him. Was he alone? What was he doing? He uploaded himself to the computer and then everything was different. But the upload, something went wrong. He got stuck for hundreds of years until a little cat appeared. Are you the scientist? Was it? It was. It was me. I was a scientist. I was human. I need a moment. Oh, okay, I'm good. Oof. I'm sorry, man. That sounds rough. Hello. I'm sorry, Hey, Mom, I don't feel like talking. Yeah, okay, it's okay. We can walk around. It's all good. I'll just walk around. You're good. I'll scratch up this sofa. Okay, that's enough scratching. No, scratch up the rug. Okay, that's no scratching. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. What's up? What's up, Fire Garden? I must have parents, friends. What happened to everyone? We're wide open the city, but is there anyone even left to save? Okay. No, you're still not up for talking. It's all good. Okay. Okay, there we go. Hey. What is this? Oh shit. Hey. The meditation? Oh, it's you. You were Momo and see the call earlier. I'm glad you're here last little outsider. Momo and Doc are very familiar with us outsiders. I miss them. Their memory brings me peace. Momo stays in the slums. I heard about Doc and Clementine. She's in Midtown now. If you want to see the outside, she's the one who gets there. Apparently she had some kind of plan to leave the city. Here, take this. I wrote her address on the back of this picture. Oh. When you reach Midtown, climb up to a little village. It'd be easier for a dexterous one like you. Randomly reach the outside. You'll be the very first. I wish you good luck. And you don't need it. I believe in you. Huh. I'm sorry for shutting down earlier. It's okay. You are probably lost in the world, but what's left of me? So much has come to me. How can I have forgotten? It's all good, man. Maybe if we find Clementine, we can start my memories and get back home at the same time. We can go back and find more of the companions or head towards Midtown. Well... let's just keep going. I'm not gonna worry about it. There's more important things and, this food's actually horrible, but there's nothing around. I'm gonna screw my first casing if I eat this trash. Fair enough. network. Okay. Bucket to bucket. Okay. Oh, wait, yeah, what's this say? Oh, it's a memory. Oh, okay, even better. The language the companion robot is made from scratch. How impressive. Remember, it happened when I was in the network. I don't know what exactly, but at one time, all communication started to switch to these symbols. It's like a computer I'd known for a long time. So suddenly, every symbol I word, what I was, I was able to understand everything. Now I'm out of no language. I'm curious to hear all they say. So where am I going then? What's a sentiment? Okay, so I'm going the wrong way then. Oh, I thought I don't know. Okay, I like that. Okay. 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 Is that oh. Okay. Oh, okay, that's what I need to do. Is just load this. There we go. Meow. Meow. Oh, gotcha. Up. There we go. Hey. Hey. Oh. I have a huge collection of them. You want to see? Still missing colors, so I'm missing a yellow, red one, and a purple one. Let's get them for me. Sure, I could try. Which ones do you need? Yellow, red, and purple. Oh. Oh. Wait, hang on. No, hang on. Hang on. So can I get up? Hang on. I don't know if I'm supposed to be... Okay, I'm back here. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Let me... I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I hope you know that. Well. I don't know. I'm trying, but I don't know how to help you. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to... I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about it. I just want to keep progressing the story. Jesus Christ, this is terrifying. No, I don't think I can. Okay, let's just keep going. It's okay. I can come back in a different playthrough and do that one, because I don't know how to do that. I don't want to. Man. Okay. Huh. Okay. Look at this subway. This is a subway station. I had completely forgotten this kind of transportation existed. We could ride it anywhere in the city. People used to take it to go to work. I used to take it too. Every morning after saying goodbye to my family at home. I remember I was doing this for them, but they're gone now. It was so long ago. I'm sorry, man. I want to say the outside, but even that doesn't even matter anymore. What happened to them? What happened to everybody? Everyone, whatever that. Anyway, we're near Midtown. Let's find Clementine. We have a picture of her. We'll show her to the cranes around. Maybe it'll point us in the right direction. Okay. Well, let me explore a tiny bit. See if there's anything around here. Oh, that's actually kind of fun, just to hop between the seats. Okay. One more time. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Okay, let's run. Huh. Oh, sorry, down. It's right here. Translate, what we got? We're closed due to pandemic restrictions. Please do not enter. Any violation of rules may result in heavy prison sentence. Yeesh. Okay. Hey! More memory. Come. Oh. There are so many books here. The Turing test, I can see the artificial intelligence. I recognize some of these. Did I have them in the library? I remember nothing was quite like the smell of books and the turn of a page. What did it feel like? It was like comfort. The book was like spending time with someone. Okay. You are useless. Okay, let's keep going, I guess. Oh, hi. Huh. Don't worry about trash. You go primary to take care of everything. It's like BNL. Please state your identity. Cooperate or we will have to transfer you to reboot you. Please leave me alone. I'm not the one you're looking for. I'm looking for Clementine. I'm sure she's hiding in the residence. Access to low level station due to organic life hazard. Please keep out of this area. Okay. Probably up that way, but let's see. See if there's anything over here I can use or see or something. I don't think so. I think it's just... yeah, I don't think so. It's all good. Okay. It's okay. Let's go. Midtown. Okay. Residency, shop, Neocore. Hey. Speaking of downstairs, what is from them? Cool picture. Hey, is that an address in the back? There's no the street, the floor, door number. Where easy to find. Thanks. Okay. Why do you have a cone on your head, dude? You can see below I had a friend there, Fifi. Haven't seen him in ages. You're not helpful. Yeah, the guy burns me out, Millie bums me out with the customer tries to scare him away. Okay. He's in a bar, it was the craziest place around until he took a screwdriver in the knee and now it's closed now. You guys are all useless. Hey. I don't want aimbot to be the best at this game and end up with malware. Sure, why everything seems odd now. Nice picture. Let's go for it, I think. You're looking for information about all sorts of old machines. Weird. What about you? That's every game has ever been, but I can't figure out how this one works. Seen this whole picture? Seen the whole picture? Seen this guy before, I think. Looking for information about all sorts of old machines. Weird. I don't know. Pretty much everything. Nice picture. Seen this girl before. I think looking for old machines. Okay. Okay, we're gonna jump. Okay. Okay. Well, let's keep going, I guess. I didn't want to talk. Okay. 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 Sorry, excuse me. Okay. Proceed further. The access to the outside is fully restricted and the elevator has been disabled. The elevator is unsafe. Do not proceed further. Okay. Meow. Okay. Okay. And you shot Midtown. The shark is really grumpy. Another long picture. Some of the street. A door number should be pretty easy to find. Don't let me go there. Don't touch anything. Crap. What is? You're useless. You're more useless. Okay. Okay. Residency. Okay, so resident jump. Residency is this way? Okay, the residency must be here. Hey. It's Eric from the Sentinel. They're vicious and they got my buddy Paul. 300. Oh, Clemintine? Oh, if I were you, I'd only a matter of time before she gets caught with the Sentinel. Keep asking around. She's running her. Well, the Sentinels for years have been for why. A lovely photo. I think it's familiar. Maybe that's someone else. Okay. You do, Chef. Okay. It's just so cool right now, so chill, nothing bad can happen to us. I know, I used to see her a lot. She lives around here. She just talks. The souls. You're useless. Okay, cool. Stay down, face. We can see you too. Cool. Hey, those knives are ours, don't you? Oh, not to steal. I could use one, but you'll have to do something for Jen. It's all 3 security cameras to watch over us. Can you get them off their back? Sure, I could do that. Yeah, I got that. Boy, that's the camera. Yeah, let's give me a second. I'll get up there. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can jump in a box. Oh my goodness, yes. This is literally just Cat Simulator. This is so cool. Okay. Hey. Well done. Do it. Here, take your pride. You've earned it. Nice. Okay, we'll go back to that shop. See if I can listen to that tape. I don't know if that tape's gonna do anything, but I'm hoping maybe it will. Damn, I hate turning this thing off. Okay, let's just keep looking for her. Maybe you forgot your character sheet. I mean, you have the whole week preparing the session. Oh, it's a D&D reference. I'm sorry, I forgot where I put it. That's fine anyway. Okay. Well, can I look at the, just find a way out of here. Wait, someone... Oh. Right, that's how you do it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Three, 5. So there's the 3rd floor. Yeah, okay. Number... Nope, hang on. Number 5 is... Okay, yeah. Yeah, 3-5 is right here. Hello? Hey! Oh, you were sent. Never mind. Who are you? What do you want? I decided to send someone. I guess you're my new recruit. You're not very big. But you managed the sewers. I guess you must be pretty resourceful. I've been looking away to get to the outside ever since I left Ant Village. But the Sentinels are always watching. Now that you're here, you can help. Follow me. What's up? I'm working on a plan to use the old subway for a while now. I can't just even have the keys to start it. All I need is an atomic battery to power it. Neko Corporation use... I know Neko Corporation has one secured inside their factory. I have a contact who will help us infiltrate. I don't know his name, but he's the robot with the bomber jacket and a gold chain. Take this message to him. Someone small and swift like you should not be trusting inside the factory. Last thing, don't hesitate to ask for help. Just for full information. But stay clear of the Sentinels. Okay. Okay, we're gonna lay down for 2 minutes. Oh, that's enough. I wish it was a good place to stop the episode, but it's not. Well, maybe half an hour, so we gotta keep going. Okay, so I'm looking for... Okay. Find the contact near the factory. Robot with a bomber jacket and a gold chain. Where's the factory? It's just such an interesting, like, game. Okay, what do the signs say? Corporation is that way. Okay. Both close, get lost. Okay. It's this way. I think. Maybe. Might not be. Hey. Hello, I can't play over here. We're no place for a fuzzball like you. Pretty sure it's you. What do you want? Where'd you get that? Oh, you're with my contact. Let me brief you of the atomic battery. Batteries powering Nico Corp factory right now, but the whole area is heavily guarded. Get prison. You're pretty in a worker. But I'm little. Be a worker jacket and a worker helmet while I stay here to check for a good time to enter. Yeah. Box. So I can get out of the box now. Okay, cool. Well, how do I... outfit. Security guy from the clothing shop and the hat shop, but I doubt the other side of that one. Okay. Oh, did I already steel jacket? Where's the hat shop? Shop Street, so has to be here somewhere. What's the club? Okay. He's back. So I don't think. I think it's a different shop for the hats. Sentinels. Okay, hat shop. Okay. Fifi. Okay, you're close. But where's the hat shop? Okay. Barry. Okay. Hmm. Okay. 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 Well. Close claws get lost. There's gonna be something. Okay. Okay. Shop Street. So it has to be around here, but I'm just. I must just really be missing it. So I don't know what I'm looking for. Hmm. Okay. Huh, maybe it's that. Maybe I gotta trip somebody. Hmm. Hmm. Code 8542. Oh. 542. Inspect badge. Ooh. Pet badge. Okay, I don't think it's. Hat shop, hat shop. I'm trying to figure out where the hat shop. Oh, hat shop is right here. What? Not happy. Bargain. Jesus Christ, so I need to go to the bar. But the bar is closed. Club is closed. So how do I get in? Okay. Okay, well I need like a battery or something. I don't know, I'm trying here. See you later. Okay. Do I get to the hat shop? I need to get someone out of the bar. But to get someone out of the bar, I gotta figure out how to get into the bar. I don't think I'm gonna... What? Shh. Okay. Well, if this is the bar, I don't think it is. It might... Hang on. Clemintine. Mammoth. Woman. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotcha. Okay, that's what I need to do. Okay, no. This is the bar. That's the club. This is different. A little farther. Go do your job. He was definitely not there last time. Okay. There it goes. Ah, just fucking do it. Might be a while. Ugh. So what do I do? What do I do till then? That's the only thing. The one thing I need is just that goddamn hat. Get lost. Check. Okay. Hey. Well, I have the... Yeah, work at that though. Do you have one of those? Not yet. I'm working on it. Okay. Well, what am I supposed to do? Understood. Clemintine search. Okay. Okay. Well, let me, Okay. Ugh. Let me think. Okay. Okay. And go up here. Oh shit. Up. Checking having inside the recycling area. Those items. Meow. Okay. Make your way. Yeah. Damn it. Okay. What can I do? I don't know. Okay. He's still sweeping. Okay. I don't know what I'm looking for. I feel like there's something I'm missing. I just can't figure out what that something is. I feel like this is still something. Like trying to get that door, trying to get that guy powered up or something. I feel like this is something. I'm trying to get into the club, but I don't know how to do either. Okay, well I can go higher. Sometimes going higher solves a lot of problems in this, you know. Said sometimes. Oh wait, hang on. Oh, damn it. How do I get up there? Okay. Nope, I think I just... Okay. Those have kitty spikes on them, so I can't go in there. So... I don't know. I'm probably gonna take a small break and just think about... I might do some exploring really quick, so I'm not wasting you guys' time. But I'll make sure if I do anything big, it'll be in the next episode, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you any suggestions, let me know, or else I'll see you next video.